Yesterday I went to a mall. I saw a child who was behaving not very well with his mother. Well, I thought that was a great cue card idea.
इसी तरह से मैं आइडिया जो बनाया था जब एक बच्चा अपनी मदर के साथ अच्छा बिहेवियर नहीं कर रहा था, तो वहां पर जाकर उसने क्या किया, अपनी मदर के साथ अपनी मदर को फोर्स कर रहा था, बार बार जिद कर रहा था कि मुझे स्वीट्स लेकर दो. सो दैट इज द बिहेवियर दैट आई एम गोइंग टू स्पीक अबाउट नाउ. A lot of students want band 7 or more than that, and if you really want to get there, you need to have very strong ideas with a lot of emotions and a lot of strong language used. So that's why I have made this particular PDF in which there are a lot of very special and powerful ideas that are definitely going to get you a lot of scoring. So before that, the PDF is available, so you can buy it for 200 rupees only. You can Paytm on this particular number, so you can see this on your screen, and you can send the payment screenshot on the same number, and it will be given to you within 2 days. So 8 तारीख के बाद ये अवेलेबल हो जाएगी आपको, 2 से 8 बजे के बीच बीच कभी भी सेंड कर दी जाएगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द आइडिया. सो ये हमारा आइडिया है कि जो बच्चे हैं वो बहुत जिद्दी होते हैं, दे आर वेरी स्टबर्न, and what they do is even if we buy them a lot of things and stuff, still what they do is they want more. उनको कभी भी सब्र नहीं आता. They always are looking for something more. So this is what I'm going to talk about. So very strong usage. I've seen multiple cases, a lot of vocabulary. So इस तरह से आप अगर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट को यूज करेंगे, इससे रिक्वायरमेंट अगर आप 7 मैन लेना चाहते हो, यू नीड टू यूज डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टेंसेस. आपको शो करना पड़ेगा कि दैट यू नो हाउ टू यूज प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, हाउ टू यूज प्रेजेंट सिंपल एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो इसीलिए यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का यूज किया गया है. I've seen multiple cases when children's behavior was totally unacceptable. Great usage. This happens when they are not given the things that they want to, or parents refuse to give them the things that they desire to. So ये कब होता है कि जब बच्चों को उनकी मनपसंद चीज पूछी जाती है और हम उनको नहीं देते, या फिर पेरेंट्स रिफ्यूज कर देते हैं. अगेन स्ट्रॉन्ग यूसेज. एंड चिल्ड्रन, क्योंकि क्या होता है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग, सो जहां पर जैसे मैंने यहाँ लिखा, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग children want for is not necessarily good for them. Very strong starting. So examiner is going to be really impressed by your way of speaking if you start your cue card like this. अगर इस तरह से आप करोगे. So आगे देखिए. So where it was, it happened a while ago when I was in a mall buying some stuff for myself. So ये होता है because जो ideas होते हैं ना, वो आपकी real life के साथ stated होने चाहिए. Normally हमने देखा है कि malls वगैरह में बच्चे जो है, they are very stubborn, बहुत ज़्यादा जिद्दी होते हैं, right? So these type of situations usually happen in these type of places. So I was buying some stuff for myself. थोड़ा बहुत अपने बारे में बताएंगे. I noticed there was a lot of noise coming from a nearby section. So इस तरह का जो language है, it's going to give you a lot of scoring. So there was a small child. So मैं सिर्फ आपको idea बताना मेरा main motive है. There was a small child. So small child, मैंने small लिख दिया, you can just eliminate it. You don't have to use small child. There was a child who was fighting with his mother to buy sweets for him. तो यहाँ पर जरूरी है, his mother was trying to argue with him that how these candies were really bad for health, and she also told that we had bought sufficient sweets. So उसकी मदर ने फिर भी बहुत सारी पहले ही खा ली थी. I'm sorry, not खा ली थी, पहले ही बाय कर ली थी. Why I said that? So उन्होंने पहले ही बहुत ज्यादा जो है बाय कर ली थी, but still जो बच्चा था वो still he was asking his mother that I wanted to buy more. वो और भी ज्यादा खरीदना चाहता था. So यहाँ पर मैजिक शुरू होगा. This is the magical part because the thing is it contains a lot of emotions. अभी आपको पता चलेगा कि क्या मैं emotions वगैरह करता रहता हूँ हमेशा. The child was causing a lot of noise which attracted the crowd. The little guy, again great usage, really put his mother in an uncomfortable position. So this is the thing. The mother was really embarrassed because of her child. I was also feeling bad for the mother. Watching her like that because of her child's behavior was really unsettling for me. So मुझे बहुत अजीब लग रहा था, मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा था. At the end she had to give up and decided to buy what. So अभी थोड़ी बहुत चेंजेस करना है. Her child had asked और asked for लिखेंगे. So यहाँ पर. So this is the kind of idea that is going to get you a lot of scoring. उसके बाद ये वाला भी पैराग्राफ है. So but again it doesn't matter, ये आप पढ़ लोगे. So आप यहाँ इसको देख सकते हो if you want to take a look. This is the kind of cue card that is going to get you a lot of scoring because the thing is that there are a lot of emotions involved. There are a lot of high vocabulary words that I have used in this cue card that is going to get you a lot of scoring. So again I'm pointing this. It will be available It is already available, you can buy it, but it will be sent to you within 2 days, between 2 and 8 p.m. Okay, anytime between 2 and 8. So I hope this video was helpful to all of you, and I hope you liked the intro. And if you think that I should be doing these type of intros more, then please comment below and tell me whether you liked my intro or not. Thanks all. God bless you.